In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Claude HTML to Netlify. By the end, you'll take a conversation exported from Claude and get it live on the web using Netlify's quick upload flow. Start by opening Claude in your browser and heading to your recent chats. Find the conversation you want to share as a web page and open it. Inside that chat view, look for the option to download or export. Choose the download option and select the HTML format if prompted. Save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer, like your desktop or a dedicated projects folder. This exported HTML is a self-contained page of your conversation, which makes it perfect for a simple one-file deploy. Now switch over to Netlify and sign in. From your dashboard, look for the Add New Project button. Netlify will show a few ways to get started. You'll see an option to start building with an AI agent and another to import a Git repository if your code lives on a platform like GitHub. For this tutorial, we're keeping it simple and choosing the path to upload your project files directly. You'll land on a page with a drag and drop area. If you only exported a single HTML file from Claude, you can drag that file straight into the box to deploy instantly. If you prefer not to drag, click the option to choose a folder. This opens your file browser so you can select either your project folder, a zip archive, or that single HTML file. Once you've made your selection, confirm by clicking Upload. Netlify will begin processing right away. You may see a brief progress indicator as the upload completes. If you chose a folder or a zip, make sure everything your page needs is inside, such as images or style sheets referenced by the HTML. With a single Claude export, everything is typically bundled in the one file, which keeps things straightforward. After the upload, Netlify automatically publishes your site and provides a unique live URL. That means your Claude HTML is now accessible on the web without any extra configuration. If you ever need to update the page, repeat the same upload process with the revised file. To recap, you exported your chat as HTML from Claude, created a new project on Netlify, selected the direct upload option, dragged in your file or chose a folder, and confirmed the upload. That's all it takes to go from a conversation to a live site in just a few minutes.